up, it's gonna take off. If I press the down arrow, it's gonna land, and then whenever I press the right arrow, it's gonna move to the right, and then whenever I press the left arrow, it's gonna move to the left. And then when I do W, it's gonna go forward, and then S is gonna make it go backward. And then whenever I press space, it's gonna go higher, and T is gonna make it go lower.
So you don't have a pre-programmed list of maneuvers, you're just going to be driving it from the keyboard.
Yeah.
You can do it either way, yeah.
I tried.
You can program it like he has, so it's going to take off, do whatever you want. Go here, go there, and so on.
Mm-hmm.
The way I tried to do it with this sprite right here, before I had a code for it to make it go forward, backwards without me having to do the controls.
Nice.
Yeah.
Defensive shields on.
Do you target it with your microscope?
I do have a laser in there. I can shoot it down.
Careful. Luckily, it's a little
Okay,
drone.
that's good.
Excellent.
Okay.
Move on.
Nicely done.